Welcome back to Car Hub, the place where the world's hottest supercars take center stage, and where we break down every new launch with passion, precision, and pure adrenaline. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the fastest growing automotive family on YouTube, because today we're diving into something truly special. Ferrari has just pulled the covers off the brand new next generation Ferrari V8 2026 series. And trust me, this is more than just a facelift or a simple upgrade. This is a rebirth of one of the most iconic mid-engine V8 machines ever created. Ferrari has always been the master of evolution. They take what works, refine what doesn't, and push the boundaries just far enough to break expectations without losing identity. And the 4,882,026 model is exactly that, a perfect blend of tradition and innovation, crafted with a clear intention to dominate its segment once again. The first thing Ferrari wanted to achieve was simple yet bold: make the 488 feel new again, without disconnecting from its legendary DNA. Mission accomplished. From the moment you see it, the design strikes a balance between raw aggression and aerodynamic intelligence. Every line, every sculpted edge, every inlet has a purpose. Ferrari didn't redesign the car just to make it look futuristic. They redesigned it to make it faster, smoother, and more stable than ever before. The front fascia is sharper, with laser-thin LED headlights that now integrate advanced adaptive beam technology. The hood features twin air extractors that channel airflow more efficiently while reducing lift at high speeds. The sides reveal deeper, aerodynamic channels that almost look like F1-inspired cuts, feeding massive amounts of air into the new high-pressure cooling system. Ferrari has optimized the car's entire silhouette, using lessons learned from the SF90 and the stunning Daytona SP3. The rear has received the most dramatic transformation, with quad-lens taillights, a completely re-engineered diffuser, and a dual-level rear wing that automatically adjusts based on speed, cornering load, and braking intensity. It's functional elegance at its peak. Now let's talk about the heart of this beast. Under the rear glass sits an upgraded version of Ferrari's legendary twin-turbo V8 engine, but this time, it's smarter, lighter, and more powerful. The 202-6488 features an advanced hybrid assist system similar to what Ferrari uses in its F1 program, offering instant torque without sacrificing the visceral roar of a combustion engine. The numbers are insane. A combined 820 horsepower and brutal acceleration that launches the car from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds. That's hypercar territory. And Ferrari didn't stop there. The power band has been widened, the turbos spool faster, and the electric motor fills every micro gap in torque delivery. Driving this machine isn't just fast, it's seamless, almost telepathic. The upgraded 8-speed dual-clutch transmission shifts gears with surgical precision. Ferrari has tuned the traction and stability management systems to be more intuitive, giving skilled drivers tons of freedom while still protecting them from losing control. The steering feels alive, providing feedback directly from the road without any artificial filtering. This is driving as Ferrari intended: pure, emotional, and unforgettable. Inside the cabin, Ferrari focused on making the 2026 488 feel like a futuristic racing cockpit without compromising comfort. The interior layout wraps around the driver, with new digital cluster animations, a redesigned infotainment system, and haptic touch pads that replace most physical buttons. The screen is crisp, the animations are fluid, and the UI takes inspiration from Ferrari's racing telemetry. For passengers, Ferrari has included a dedicated side display that shows speed, gear shifts, navigation, and even G-force data, so they feel just as involved as the driver. The seats are lightweight carbon fiber racing shells, wrapped in premium Alcantara and leather, offering perfect support without feeling harsh. Ferrari has also improved acoustic insulation, making the cabin quieter when you want comfort and louder when you switch to race mode. It's the dual personality that modern supercar owners demand. One of the most impressive updates comes in the form of new driving modes. The hybrid system allows for short-range, silent electric driving, perfect for city streets or discreet entrances. But once you tap the throttle, the V8 roars to life with unmistakable Ferrari thunder. In hybrid boost mode, the electric motor adds instant punch, making the car feel like it defies physics. Track mode unleashes everything: maximum power, maximum aero load, maximum excitement. And if you're brave enough, the new drift logic system lets the rear end slide in a controlled yet spectacular fashion. Ferrari has put major emphasis on cooling and durability as well, giving the 488 2026 the ability to push lap after lap without performance fade. Larger radiators, smarter airflow tunnels, and improved thermal coatings ensure the car stays ready for action, whether it's cruising on highways or tearing through racetracks. What truly sets this generation apart is how Ferrari blended its hybrid technology without losing soul. The exhaust note is still unmistakable Ferrari magic. It crackles, screams, and climbs with a rising pitch that sends chills down your spine. Ferrari engineers developed a new acoustic chamber that amplifies the natural harmonics of the V8, giving you a sound that feels authentic, emotional, and intense. In terms of build quality, Ferrari has gone even further. More carbon fiber, lighter aluminum sections, and improved rigidity give the car a stronger yet lighter structure. This means better cornering stability, reduced body flex, and more confidence at high speeds. What's even more exciting is the level of personalization Ferrari is offering for the 2026 488 series, whether you want a track-focused variant, a road comfort setup, or something in between. Ferrari's options catalog lets you craft a machine that feels uniquely yours, from race-spec wheels to custom aero add-ons. The possibilities are endless. The Ferrari 488-2026 isn't just another model update. It's a statement from Ferrari, a message that they're entering the hybrid era with dominance, not compromise. It stands ready to challenge McLaren, Lamborghini, Porsche, and anyone else bold enough to step into its lane. If you're watching this and dreaming of owning one someday, trust me, you're not alone. This car represents the very best of what modern engineering and Italian craftsmanship can achieve. It's not just speed, it's not just beauty, it's the emotion of Ferrari brought to a new generation. That is the all-new next-generation Ferrari 488 2026. Let me know in the comments what feature impressed you the most and what car you want to see next, here on Car Hub. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Thank you for watching Car Hub. Your support fuels this channel, and together, we'll keep exploring the future of automotive excellence. Until next time, drive safe, stay passionate, and keep the adrenaline alive. If you want, I can also generate 10 clickbait titles, best title description plus keywords plus hashtags outro. Just tell me.